All right, guys. Well, after multiple months of me waiting for the Alibaba hood, I mean, I think you know what that is. Absolutely insane. A huge truck just pulled up and had 3 people lift it to get it out of the car. Yeah, I am so excited. So obviously, let's go around here. This is the huge package. It's massive. And this is her. Obviously, you guys know. Yeah, the stock hood, it's time to go. I'm so excited. I can't wait for the vents here. As you can tell, it just snowed. It is super deep, and I just cleaned off the car the other day, and it's already dirty. So yeah, we are going to stand this up, and I'm probably not going to record me unboxing it, but I'm going to definitely show you what it looks like after we get it out of the box. I'm going to cut it open, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in 1 second. All right, guys, so I already know everybody's going to ask where I got the hood, so I just literally went on Alibaba, super simple, looked up the carbon fiber hoods. I wanted to find one with the best ratings, so I was obviously looking up and down through all the options, and I was referred to this hood by someone else in one of the groups who had it. There's many different options like this one. I wasn't really too big of a fan because every single person has that hood, so I was just going to keep looking until I found the one that I chose. I saw how I liked it painted. I was thinking about going that route first, and then I was like, all right, let me keep looking around, seeing people online, and I saw everybody had it. So I was like, all right, not doing that. So then I found mine, and it obviously was the one that I went with the 2 vents. This is kind of like the Adro style, just a little less aggressive with the hood vents. I saw it painted, obviously, like you can see here on the car, and it looks absolutely insane. The full paint looks nuts. Hopefully that'll come in the future, just a little heads up. So yeah, so that was all I did there. I just went to check the price, saw the reviews, and obviously I just had to confirm that this is the one that my friends also purchased. They had good reviews and everything like that, so that's what I went with. All right, guys, we're back. Yeah, it's been a few minutes. I moved it to the backyard, but we finally got it out of the wood. I'm not gonna lie, from Alibaba, they shipped it absolutely packaged to perfection. It took me quite a while to actually get the box open. I decided to open one of the sides and slide it right out, and then the wooden box and the cardboard box is just pretty easy. I'm gonna flip it over and get the plastic taken off, and we're gonna get a first look at it. Honestly, I'm excited. It looks obviously fine, as you'd expect. Yeah, let's flip this over and get the packaging off. I'll catch you guys in a second. Well, you guys are getting a first look at it, just exactly how I am, and holy shit. Yeah, I'm also a little out of breath because I literally just started this video as soon as I started unwrapping it and moving it, as we just saw in the last few seconds there. But holy crap. I mean, it is spotless. It looks insane. I don't know if you can see the weave on that. It looks absolutely crazy. Wow. Wow. Definitely needs to be wiped down, but holy crap. It is perfect. It's got the vents here. As you can tell, it has the runoff on the bottom. I got it with the 2 vents in the middle. I know everybody has the hood with the U shape. I decided to be a little different because I haven't really seen too many people. Sorry guys, I got a call and the video got cut short there, but yeah, this is absolutely insane. As you can tell, this is literally, I'm not gonna lie, I think this is what all the major resellers like the main brands. I think this is the exact same hood that they sell on their website. I honestly would not be surprised whatsoever. Just based off the fact that it takes 6 to 9 weeks for them to get it, and then I got it in the same amount of time and it looks the exact same. I would really not be surprised if it's the exact same one. But guys, I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Well, it's gonna be a few seconds for you of us putting it on the car. I'll catch you guys in a few. All right, guys, long story short, it is 4 degrees. It is, yeah, absolutely horrible. But the boys want to get the hood on. And everyone's saying it's super easy to put on. So we're going to get it done. I'm going to update you guys step by step with what we're doing. But yeah, this is how it looks before. With the carbon fenders, I'm really excited to see the fitment on how it's going to fit with the Adro fenders. Yeah, this is her right now. It literally has a feel like of -10. Honestly, it's not too bad. I mean, I have gloves on and a jacket, but it's not horrible. We're going to do the install of the latches inside, and then we're going to take it outside, fit it up, and yeah, hopefully I don't freeze to death and die. I will catch you guys in a few seconds. All right, first lowering.
Let's go from a distance. I'll lower it.
No, I mean, looks.
There's only one issue.
What? It's
fixed because if we just lower it right now, it's gonna ruin the rubber.
It's gonna do what?
Watch out for this. Lower it. I just want to see something. I want to see why it's hitting.
No. I mean, there's actually like a bit of a, like, not a crazy gap, but it's not horrible. That side, that side's definitely a little closer, but I mean, the gap's not horrible, but
Oh yeah, no. Definitely have to adjust.
pull it, move it a little more this way.
Bracket.
All right, everybody, I'm gonna close up the video here, but this is months later actually from the recording of the last video, as you can tell. But yeah, I'm just gonna give you a little 3-month or 2-month summary and review of it. Obviously, again, absolutely nothing, no clear coat failure, no damage. I fixed the fitment, so now it's absolutely perfect. It's actually crazy. You see some canards there that'll be in the next video, but this is what we're looking at right now, and she looks absolutely beautiful. Overall, I definitely give it like a 7 out of 10. You can tell here that it was definitely cheaply cut if you look up close to the car, but from a distance, you cannot tell at all, and it looks absolutely spotless. Regardless, either way you look at it, it's still a win for Alibaba, and honestly, I would buy another one again. As you can tell, just still spotless, and it's been months. Sitting under a car cover, driving every day. I love it. You guys will love it. I promise you, it will not be a bad purchase unless you obviously have a bad interaction with the seller or during the shipping, but thankfully, thank the Lord that mine came untouched and obviously looks beautiful from any way that you view it. Same with this side, but honestly, that's the only downside that you can honestly notice. It gets compliments, it looks great, and it fits in no matter which way you look at it. Guys, thank you so much. I have another video already being edited, ready to post. I'm going to become a lot more active. This summer is going to kick off strong shows. I'm going to track it. I'm going to Impact this summer. I cannot wait to see you guys and fill you guys in on what I'm doing. I will catch you guys in the next video. Please subscribe. We just hit 300. I cannot thank you guys enough. Road to 500, 2026. Let's get it. Later, boys.